Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Coding in the Attic. This is part of the 30-day challenge, completing the introduction to MongoDB course. And today we're looking at creating a multi-key index in MongoDB. So this is lesson 3 of unit 8. So I've just watched the video and so they're summarizing some of the key points here. So multi-key indexes are indexes related to fields linked to an array. We've got the same comments as before, so the single field, the create index, the get indexes to get all the indexes in the collection, and the explain to see whether you've actually got an IXCAN stage as a way of querying your database. So let's have a look at the quiz. So what is a multi-key index? An index on one field, only where the field is not an array. So that's actually the opposite. An index where one field of the index field contains an array. An index on more than one field where none of the fields are arrays. No, an index on more than one field or multiple fields are arrays. So I think that's B. Yes, okay. So multi-key indexes support efficient queries against array fields by creating an index key for each element in the array. This allows MongoDB to search for the index key of each element in the array rather than scan the entire array, which results in dramatic performance gains in your query. Okay, that's interesting. So what is the maximum number of array fields per multiple key? I have no idea. I think that is multiple maximum number of array fields. I think it's 1. I don't remember if they said in the video. Yeah, okay. The maximum number of array fields per multiple key is 1. If an index has multiple fields, only one of them can be an array. Okay, so that means that if you've got arrays within arrays, only the first array will be taken into account. Not sure if I get that right. Anyway, let's see. Okay, creating multiple key indexes in using explain. In this lab, you will create a multiple key single field index on the accounts collection of the bank database. Additionally, we will verify the index was created and actively used in queries using explain. Okay, that makes sense. And we are within the accounts collection in the bank database. Okay, so let's create a multi-key single field index and a transfer complete field. Let's have a look at what the data looks like first. Okay, so you can see that a transfer complete is an array. So basically, if I use the create index on this particular field, I should automatically create a multi-key single field index. If I understood that right, just transfers complete. And let's do sending order. They're not asking us to create unique values. Let's create it that way. Okay, let's check with the get indexes. It's not asked, but I think that would make sense. So we've got 2, the underscore ID one, and the transfer complete I've just created. Okay, and let's see whether if I use the explain method, whether I get the IXCAN query method. And I need to do One, two, yes. Let's try and do that. Transfer state field set of this. Okay. So what do we get for the winning plan? We do have a state fetch and an IXCAN stage here, so I think we're pretty good here. Let's have a look at what we needed to do. Create index, transfer complete. That's what we did. Okay. And then they've added the explain and then the find method. Oh, yeah, I could have used that actually, the including operator, because it could be in different uh, different data, I guess. But anyway, I think we understood this. Let's move on to the next exercise. No, I think that was the last challenge, actually. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short session. I'll see you in the next lesson for the continuous. I'll see you in the next session for. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you want to have more information on this, and if you'd like to follow along on my 30-day challenge to complete the introduction to MongoDB course.